Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I'm going to show you one of my typewriters that I've listed for sale on my website. What we have here is a Royal Black Portable Typewriter, serial number A418174, made in 1939. This machine is beautiful. And I say this not just because it's cosmetically appealing, but because it's mechanically one of the most sound machines I've ever had the pleasure to work with. In fact, this machine, this particular Royal, has been my laptop for a very long time. And the only reason I'm selling it now is because I have more prestigious machines in my collection, and I can afford to pass this one on to the next user. Look how amazing that gloss is. You can see the camera right there. And here's a decal, another decal, another decal. And you can see the glass keys, which offer the superior feel, in my opinion, to standard newer composite or plastic keys. Just in my opinion, a lot smoother on the hands. And as you can see here, it comes with the original foam pad. And there's an interesting story behind this particular typewriter. I was in an antique store one day, and just hunting for typewriters, and I spied this one next to a Royal KHM, and I asked the lady what the story was, and she said that this was her husband's when he served in the military, specifically in the Navy, and this was his Navy typewriter that was issued to him, and he kept it in great condition. Like, the chrome is beautiful, the decals are still amazing, and it types really good too, and the rubber is fantastic condition. And when her husband passed away, she got this typewriter and had no use for it, so she decided to sell it. I got it for $15, and it had some mechanical problems, like specifically the mainspring needed to be fixed. But after I fixed that, it's now a nice little workshop, and it will serve whoever buys it for a very long time. It will probably outlive me and anyone else alive today. It's pre-World War II, which means that the quality is assured in the design, and yeah, some features are two-color ribbon, as you can see over there. And one thing I like about Royals is that it offers a touch control, and that controls the tension of the springs for the keys. And like, this is low, it goes to high, and it changes the spring tension of the keys to adjust to your specific comfort zone in typing. Just another way this machine is user friendly. And like, machines like this are getting harder and harder to find with key choppers on the loose. I mean, they chop the keys off and make bracelets out of them, and I'm afraid that if I didn't get this one, that's probably what would have happened to it eventually. But I have it, and hopefully you will too, if you choose to buy it. So I'm going to give you a quick little typing test. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, tests all the letters in the alphabet, see if there are any errors, which there aren't. Switch it on to black. Alright. You can hear the bell there. See if we can see that. It leaves a great impression, and I love the font on this. And once it comes with a brand new red-black ribbon, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So as you can see, it's in perfectly sound shape. And just the camera refocus. There we go. I love this new camera. It offers such a better quality of video than my old one. Plus it has sound, unlike my old one. I had to use my dad's camera for these videos. Alright, so if you have any questions or want me to make a video or what have you, feel free to contact me. This will be up for sale on my site for $200 plus shipping. And if you want to ship internationally, contact me and we'll arrange a quote for you. Alright, so until next time, this is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, signing out.